Hello friends, I am Yehen from Cubing Bro 2, and before making a video about solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, I thought it's proper to create a video about the cube notations first, because you'll need it to solve the 3x3 cube. You can hold the cube in any way you want, as it doesn't affect the notations. When you turn the right side up, it is called R. These turns are known as U, L, D, F, and B. Also, if you move a layer 2 times, it adds the number 2 mark next to the relevant letter. For example, if you move the top layer twice, its notation is U2. Double moves doesn't have prime because it's the same both clockwise and counterclockwise. Also, if this apostrophe mark is there, what is known as prime, it means the opposite. Example, R prime means right layer down because it's the opposite of R. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Like the video and subscribe to my channel so I can quickly upload the video for solving the 3x3.